What's up mga pards? This is your tropa, Maui. What's up? Hi. Anyways, I would like to do a shout out kay Kilian sa pinsan ko. What's up? Kilian Sunoga ng GMA Cavite. Yo, what's up? Musta insan? Thank you so much. Ikaw ang pinakaunang nag-comment. Love, love. At kay paring Julius, aka Julio Ludi sa diyan ng Calamba, Laguna. I'm not sure if you're still in Calamba parts, pero yeah, nakilala ko yan si paring Julio sa STI. Tropa yan ng kuya ko. So, lagi kang mag-ingat dyan kasama si Kat. Love you, Kat! Love you, be! At syempre, the last but not the fucking least, si Miko! Miko Lopez! Miko! Miss you! Yes, ang dami kong tropa ko yan. Tropang solid ko yan, taga-Baste. Lahat ng mga kabatch ko at mga naging kakilala ko sa Baste. It's nice knowing you all. Alam niyo yan. Ayan o. Ay, may nanonood o. Sino yan? Aba? 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 Yan, Miko. Kwento ko na ba yung ano natin dyan? Sobrang tinding experience natin. Comment mo na lang kung gusto nilang malaman, okay? Kung gusto mong malaman nila. Sikreto natin. Char! For today's video, I will show you how to prep and how to prepare. Kasi yung Subaru namin ay for rent. Pinaparent ko siya sa TURO. Hi, Sweetie Pie! Pinaparent ko siya sa TURO. And today, someone's gonna pick it up. So, I'm gonna clean it, just prep it, and I'll use the app and show you guys, you know, how to put it in the market. And syempre, para din, hopefully dyan sa Pinas, may ganun na rin na app. Pero, I don't know. But dito, yun ang ginagawa nila for, you know, easy business. Ito si baby girl, oh. Baby girl, baby girl, baby girly, baby girly ko yan. Hi, ay, ganda, ay, oh. Oy, 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 oy. So, guys, labas na tayo ng bahay. Malamig, so let's bundle up. Hey! Tayo sa loob. Wow! Kita niyo ako. Oops. Yan. Wait lang. So, tapos ko nang i-wax yung labas. Nilaran ko muna siya sa car wash bago ko siya i-wipe down with the wax to remove, you know, debris and stuff like that. And now, yung pang-interior ko is Under Armour Protectant. Yan. So, So, i-spray ko lang siya sa buong car. May gloves ko. So, spray ko lang siya sa buong car. And then, wipe down ko lang. Para laging mukhang bago at amoy bago. Yes. So, Gary. So, normally, pinupush back ko to. Ayan. Para may ano pa. Naging tutorial ang vlog. So, ayan. Tapos ko na siyang punasan. Sprayan at punasan. Ayan yung mga ano natin kailangan. Ito unang-unang makikita nila kapag papasok. So, dapat malinis yan. Diba? Pasok mo yung sakyo, nakaganong ka, oh. Sample. Ayan, oh. Pasok mo. Oh, winner. Ay! Bumaliktad yan. Malinis na siya, diba, besh? Nice and clean. Ayan. Nilalagyan ko ng ganyan kasi sa map nila, kasi ganun ako, tamad akong mag-connect sa screen. So, if you're on the go, so let's go sa go. Ayan, yan ang ating back. Ating rear. Yar. Yan. So, pasok na ulit tayo sa loob. Mag-start check-in lang din tayo, guys. So, let's go! Let's open TURO app, click on the trips, and we will prepare for check-in. We're gonna document our car's condition to be eligible for TURO's protection package. So we will check the interior and exterior for scratches, dings, or dents. Be sure to check the bumper, wheels, and side mirrors. And we will also take photos of the car like how it was shown in the app. So we will don't allow to access to the photos. So we will just follow the silhouette of the app. So right now we'll take the front of the car and we'll go on the side. Oops, we're battery low, but that's okay. Yep. And we will take the rear end. We will just capture anything that's, notable on the app, and we will go inside to check the odometer of the car. We need to do this to have a records of the mileage of their trip. So if they exceeded the miles that they wanted, they will pay extra for that. And we will capture anything else notable about the condition of the car. So we have some scratch over there and over here. And I remember I have one cute ding over here. Yep. Okay, it shows that the upload is unsuccessful, but we'll do it later. So we will do the odometer now. So we'll just turn on the car and check on the miles. So we have 14,361 miles. And take note of the fuel level. And at the moment, it's on the 349. Now we'll take note of the driver's license of the renter and his birthday. And now we will double check everything. And remember, it failed from uploading, so we'll add from the gallery. So I just take raw photos of the interior and exterior of the car. So we'll just add them up. And while waiting on uploading on the photos, I would like to take this opportunity to let you know that if you have any questions, just ask me on the comment section. And also, if you want me to do another shout out, just let me know. So we'll just upload these photos. And the renter's booking on this trip is on 8 p.m. So after this, I will just wait for them and give them the keys, show them how to check in Turo, and give some information or special features in the car. And thank them. And after a few days, they returned the car in perfect condition, fuel's full, and we were just having conversations about their trip, how it go, what they do. They said they went snowmobiling and snowboarding as well as adventures in the mountains. And I'm so happy for them because that's the life, you know. And we're just bidding goodbye to each other and letting them know if they have any questions, just let me know about it. Also asking them if they could leave us a review to help our account to strive more in the market. And moments like this makes me happy because I give people with nice experiences with our car. And now we will complete our checkout. Just check around the car if the cars have any new damages. So the renter put pictures, and that's so nice. Now we're gonna check our odometer miles. So the start mileage is 14,361 and they drove it for 481. Now we're gonna finish checkout and just click submit. We're gonna rate our trip. So how did it go? It's great. And now it's our time to leave a review. So the guy's name is Cesar. He's a cool dude. We have the same age. So we just, chill and talk to each other like friends. And now I just leave the review. So he took care of the car and he returned it clean and earlier than the scheduled time. And I like accountable people like that. Respects our time. You know what I'm saying? And he's professional also and amazing, good communication. So we're just done. Then we will give them 10% on their next trip with us. So letting them know. Yep, 10%. And we will check our profile again. And he'll leave a review. He said, did great in the mountains and technology was helpful. India was flexible when we needed to extend our trip. Yes, because on this trip, they had a snowstorm, so their flight got canceled. And they let me know about it, and I accepted the requested extension. Yes, on this business, you need to be empathetic and also flexible. Put yourselves on their shoes to give them the best experience on their adventure in Colorado. That's it, folks. And we're gonna ready for our next booking. If you like videos like this, let me know in the comment section. And also please like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this. And see you on the next one.